Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable color correction mode setting in our Infinix mobile. As you can see guys, this setting in your Infinix phone guys, your screen color is different guys. You want to disable this setting, so how we will disable in this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to disable this color correction setting, then guys scroll it. As you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone, so you will have to click on guys your special function setting guys, tap here guys, click on accessibility setting. As again scroll friends, you can see guys your color correction setting guys, tap here, use color correction mode setting guys, click on this icon guys, your color correction mode will disable in your Infinix phone, and guys everything is fine in your phone. So like that guys, you can disable your color correction setting in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video. Bye friends.